What's up, YouTube? It's time to put some work in. This video is about building a round coffee table made from walnut veneer plywood and 4x4s. Right here I start off by building a circle jig to help make a perfect circle. Now this works with most any router, but I would recommend using a nice powerful plunge router. So check out the description below for a list of materials and the tools I recommend. My first attempt at this was bogus, so I made sure this time I found the center before drilling it out. If you're using veneer plywood, don't drill all the way through the wood and make sure your bottom piece is on top. Here I used a 1/4 inch carving bit and dropped it down ever so slightly after each pass. Right here I'm marking the ugly sides to cut off and completely ignoring them. At this point in time I was just thinking about my fingers and how much I like them, staying attached to my body. But this is actually my first time ripping down one of these 4x4s, and it is not easy. Each side has to be done twice. That's a total of 4 passes for each log. I then do a bunch of complicated geometry just off screen and cut the floor pieces to size. But these floor pieces ended up being exactly 10 inches. The legs were exactly 2 feet, giving the table a 32-inch diameter and a 22-inch height. But no worries, I'll leave all that in the description below. This day I felt like I was building an ark. For some reason the process took forever and I didn't want to stop. I enjoy doing what I do, and I look forward to my next build. You know what I always think? Seize the day, or night, or tomorrow, once you wake up and realize you just wasted 10 minutes of your time on my YouTube channel, which at the moment is subpar. Until today, we're about to change all that. Well, we're almost done. Now moving on to the finishing touches. I used 1/2-inch dowels and a little bit of wood filler to cover up the screw holes. I then added walnut edge banding, and when I found a few gaps, I simply taped it up overnight, just like this. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the evolution of my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified every time I post a new video.